There are very few accessories available for the Volvo S90, XC90, XC60, and the V90, the new generation that's come out here in the 2020s. But one of the things you can do is you can replace the caps with these chrome caps. I looked at replacing the whole lug nut with chrome or black lug nuts, and there was several issues. One of the issues was the head of them was 17 millimeters instead of 19. That's not a big deal. The thread size is M14 by 1.5. That's kind of standard. But the length was 33 millimeters, and that's considered an overlength. That is considered a non-standard length for lug nuts, like if you put a wheel spacer on your car or something. So anyway, it was really complicated, so I just decided to go ahead and replace the lug bolt covers, if you will, and these are genuine Volvo. They're available, and it's about $35–40 for one of these 20 pieces. It comes with the clip to take the old ones off. The new ones they just push on. So let's go do that. Okay, so I have gloves on I'm doing some other work, so we'll just open up the package here, and we will take our cap extractor out. This cap extractor just clips onto the nut cover and pulls it off. Let me show you. So it just pulls it right off and exposes the lug bolt, and then you just take your new chrome one and slide it on. All chromed up. You can see the difference between the chrome and the stock gray. Alright, let me do the other four. Alright, the heads definitely have to be 19 millimeters, so of course, like I mentioned earlier, they're almost oddball size. So there we go, we're all chromed up with our chrome lug nuts. So anyway, there you have it. I really like this accessory.